Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, well I reached into the locks again that Lockbuster sent me. And again, my friend, thank you for all the awesome locks you sent me. But I grabbed this MD Euro cylinder. It's a 5-pin Euro. And I thought the lock that I picked yesterday was one of the ones that he told me that he threw some different pins in it to make it a little more challenging, I guess a little more fun for me. Not quite a challenge lock, but I guess just to make it a little more challenging, a little more fun. But, well, I found out this is one of the ones that he did throw some different pins in it. So we're going to try to get in this one tonight, and we'll see what he threw in there. And this is the bitting on the key, so it's not really that bad, but it definitely has a Yale-style keyway, so it is pretty paracentric. So I'm going to try to get in there with my 15 thousandths. Let me zoom us in. Maybe back out a little bit. Okay, that should be good. Alright, well, let's see what we can use for a tension wrench. This is my 40 thousandths. If I can't get this one in there, I'll have to try my 30. Yep, okay. And we are going to use my sparrows in 15 thousandths. And let's see what we can do. Alright. 1 is loose. 2 is loose. A little click off of 3. Got a tiny turn on that core. I think I just got a little bit out of it too. Okay, there was a little click off of 2. A little click off of 5. Okay, I think I just got a little rub on 4, and I got a little bit of a turn on that core. Okay, that was pin 1. Got a little more turn on the core. Got a little falset going. I'm getting some counter right here on 2. Okay, got him, and got a even deeper falset. Okay, I got a little bit out of 1. I think I got a little more turn on that core. I think I'm getting some counter on 5. Might have got him. Oh, and we're open, I think, on 1. Alright, awesome. Let's see what he has in this lock. Let me just put that aside. Alright. Let me zoom us out. And grab my pinning tray. Alright. We can lock it back up. Let's see if we get this clip off. It's another one of these all the way around brass clips. I think that's enough, yeah. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Alright, all 5 pins are in there. And I'm sure they're all working. They look like they're possibly all standards. But looks like everything had to be picked. Alright, let's see what we got. One is a little standard, standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, and a standard in 5. So we had all standards down below. Nothing done here to the core. Alright, let's see what he put up here. Okay, number 1. Oh, looks like I guess like a barrel type of T-pin. And I believe that's a steel spring. Number 2 is a commercial spool. Another steel spring. Oh. Number 3, I seen the way it came out. It came out like this, and there's actually a little tip on it, but I seen it. I believe it came out like this. I'm pretty positive. Alright. And a longer steel spring. A little bit longer than the other 2. What is back here? Pin 5 is standard. Another steel spring. And another spool. Commercial spool. And another steel spring. So all the springs are the same except for 3. It's a little bit longer. And there's nothing done here, but alright, let's take a look at the pins. Alright, well, you can see we have all standards down below. Then we have this barrel type of T-pin here in 1, a commercial spool in 2, and this pin here, and it's beveled here. Probably, I'll make it a little bit tougher anyways. Maybe for oversetting or something. Then we have another commercial spool here in 4 and a standard in 5. And the springs are all pretty much the same except for a little bit longer in 3. But yeah, another fun lock to pick from the Lockbuster. And again, my friend, thank you for all the awesome locks. And yeah, everyone, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye.